The Adjust to Slice Mandoline Slicer gives you 3 thickness options: thin, medium, and thick, making it simpler than ever to bring a variety of fruits and vegetables to your table. Let me show you how it works. Simply set the blade to the desired thickness with this slicing knob. Then you can either hold the slicer at an angle against a cutting board or rest it over a bowl. The many side grooves allow the Mandoline slicer to fit over a variety of bowls. Carefully slide the food over the blade a few times to get a flat base. Now, secure the food with the finger guard and slide the food over the blade to get perfect slicing.